Hello, and welcome to the Georgia Department of Education's World History Tiny URL series with quick strategies that you can use for opening, closing, or work sessions. Today, we're going to look at how to use a gallery walk to reinforce learning. I'm Chastity Manning, your World History Virtual Specialist. Please feel free to reach out to me with any questions at manning.chastity@fcboe.org. So how do you use a gallery walk? This is an extremely flexible strategy. You can use it for student work, to get out the door responses from a previous day, evaluating images, quotes, short reading passages. All you do is you divide students into small groups and have them rotate around the room providing feedback or taking notes on the posted information. You could do it in desk groups. You can do it on your walls. I do it in the hallway and the walls. I also do it on the desk. It just depends what activity we're looking at. And you can do it with primary sources. Sometimes I even have the kids take post-it notes and identify different parts of the primary source or what we're looking to evaluate. And then they stick it, and then the next person has to put a check if they think they're right, and they have to also do one. So then they also can work at their desk. You can have students answer questions posed by their classmates from a summary or closing activity from a previous lesson. So if a student on a closing activity was still struggling with something and asked a question, then you use those questions to have the students answer. It's a great strategy. I use it frequently in my classroom. Please follow us on the Georgia Department of Education World History community and on our Facebook group, Georgia World History Teachers. Have a wonderful day.